new recipe for you to try. Empty pan. For my regular followers and viewers, you've seen me doing this, putting the chicken skin on a hot pan without oil. The moment you put the chicken skin on a hot pan without oil, the natural oil from the chicken skin starts releasing out. Grating cheese while I'm waiting for the chicken skin to become really crispy. That's the oil from the chicken skin. The pan has cooled down. I'm removing some of the oil now. Pasta into boiling water. Separating 2 eggs. I only need the egg yolks. I'm making pasta alla carbonara. Carbonara sauce made from egg yolks and cheese. I'm making the sauce where I cook the chicken skin. And please make sure the pan is not hot when you put the egg yolks. Cheese, that's the Parmigiano Reggiano. Pecorino cheese. Adding a little bit of pasta water to egg yolks and cheese mixture. Pasta into sauce. Juniper berries. Traditionally black pepper, but I prefer juniper berries. Traditionally, carbonara is made with pork. Guanciale is cured pork. For those people who doesn't eat pork like my husband, this is the answer. You have all the correct traditional ingredients for carbonara except the chicken skin.